Went into work today and I got my 3/4 inch drive Milwaukee impact back from having it repaired, so it just quit working. Pull the trigger, change these. This light would light up and stuff down there, but it just wouldn't do anything. So what it says, they replaced the motor stator assembly, and this back cover is new. It was like $270 in parts. It said on there. So the other thing I want to thank Scott. I noticed he said something about the one key, and I had no idea. I haven't messed with the one key. I thought it was mainly for tracking. I didn't realize it had all this different settings for each one of these numbers. You can set how many RPMs it spins for each one, and you can set up like custom profiles, for whatever you're doing. If you're taking off lug nuts or whatever, you can do more torque or less. It's pretty neat. And then it also tracks it, tells you where the tool's at. And then if you do inventory or something, you can, if you have your business, you can inventory it as well. But pretty cool. So I'm glad to have this back. As you can see, I use it quite a bit when I'm working on stuff. So